When do I use aku and when do I use saya? So in this video, I'm about to explain you the differences between aku and saya. Hello everyone, welcome back to Indo with Billy channel. I do excited right now because I could upload a new video again. So in this new video, we are going to find out when do we have to use aku and when do we have to use saya. I know this was a bit confused because I've received too many questions about these words. So stay tuned and don't go anywhere if you want to know the meaning of that. Let's begin with aku. So usually I use aku with my close friend and my parents, also my sister and my brother. But remember, use aku when you are think or feel that you have a close relationship, real relationship. You could also use aku with God if you have a special relationship with God. So when you use aku, it means that you have a special relationship or you are really near with the person you call. So, aku usually used with our parents, also our siblings, and God as well. So, let's take a look at the example.
Ren, kan kemarin aku ikut lomba ya kan di sekolah. Nah, terus aku tuh dapat juara 2. Nah, dan dapat ini dan nggak nyangka banget aku yang menang, padahal kan banyak sainganku yang lebih baik gitu dari aku. Serius kamu? Weh, hebat. Iya, makasih Ren. Aku bener-bener nggak nyangka banget loh, karena kan sainganku lebih banget dari aku gitu loh. Kamu nggak ada niatan buat ngasih aku hadiah gitu? Ada kok niatan buat ngasih hadiah, cuman nggak saat ini. Mungkin aku bakal kasih kamu hadiah minggu depan kali ya. Mau apa? Aku mau iPhone. iPhone.
Wait. How about gua or gue? So gua or gue is more slang, casual. It a bit similar with aku, but gua just could be used with your friends, your sister, your brother. But then use this to your parents, it will sound really impolite. But I look nowadays many children use this to their parents, so that could be not weird again right now. I don't know why. Might be because too many children use this to their parents, so that's like affecting our languages. It's really embarrassed, but it's a ages development. And the next we have saya. So saya similar to aku, which means I, that commonly used to talking to your boss or to someone you just met or you don't know before. But also saya used to your teacher. It will sound more polite, and I do love if someone uses this to their superior. That will sound more polite if you use saya to your superior. And let's have a look the example of saya.
Selamat siang, Pak. Siang. Saya boleh nanya, Pak, nanti kalau dokumen-dokumennya sudah selesai, saya bisa langsung setor ke Bapak, kan? Oh iya, silahkan. Kalau dokumennya sudah selesai, langsung antar ke meja saya ya. Saya tunggu. Baik, Pak. Terima kasih ya, Pak. Baik, sama-sama.
Alright, so these are the difference between aku and saya. Remember, pronunciation of this word. Aku, aku, aku. A is first syllable and ku is last syllable in this word. And saya, sa, ya, sa, ya. Sa is first syllable and ya is second syllable. So both of them have two syllables. Alright everybody, don't forget subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the notification bell and like if you love this video. And don't forget, if you want to know more about Indonesian, I have a group on WhatsApp and I have got Instagram and Facebook, email and also TikTok. If you're going to ask me about Indonesian language, you can ask me there. See ya in the next video. Sampai jumpa.